Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where I talk a lot about selling designs on Etsy. And today I want to talk about one marketing feature that can help your Etsy shop get more sales. It's called Etsy Offsite Ads, and it is a way to get your product seen by more people. Imagine this, you just open your Etsy shop, and you are selling cutest handmade cat toys ever. They are so cute, but how to get people to notice them? That's where Etsy Offsite Ads come in. They are like little helpers that go out into the big world of the internet and show your products to people who might be interested in buying them. And here is how it works. Etsy takes all the pictures, descriptions, and titles of your listings and send them to their advertising partners. These partners are companies like Google, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Now, these companies have their own algorithms that match your products with people who have searched for or looked at similar things online. Let's say someone searched for cat toys on Google or likes a few cat pages on Facebook. And now your adorable tools might pop up as an ad on their screen. And the best part is, you don't have to do anything special to make these ads happen. Etsy does all the work for you, and these ads are automatically enabled for your shop. Exactly, they are automatically enabled. But what if you don't want your products showing up anywhere on the internet? If your Etsy shop has made less than $10,000 in the last year, you can choose to opt out of these offsite ads. It's totally up to you. However, when you have these offsite ads enabled and someone clicks on one of these ads and buys something from your shop within 30 days, you only have to pay Etsy a small fee on that order. We are talking about 12 or 15% of the sale, and the fee cannot be more than $100, no matter how big the order is. In other words, you don't have to pay anything upfront for these ads. Etsy covers all the cost, and you only get charged that fee if the ads actually led to the sale for you. It is a type of advertising that could bring you new customers and more sales. Of course, there are more rules. Each website or app that Etsy advertises on has its own policies about what can and can't be shown. Some of these have stricter rules than Etsy when it comes to certain types of products. So, while your cute cat toys might be perfectly fine on Etsy, they might not be allowed to be advertised on, say, Facebook. But don't worry, Etsy will let you know about all of that, and you can check each platform's policies if you want. In my opinion, Etsy's offsite ads are really an interesting opportunity, especially for new shops or smaller sellers like you who are looking for more exposure. It is advertising that could bring you sales without any upfront costs. And if these ads don't add up working for you, no problem, you can always opt back out. Just keep in the mind that once your Etsy shop hits the $10,000 revenue mark for the year, you will be automatically enrolled in offsite ads, and you won't be able to opt out anymore. But hey, if your shop is doing that well, why wouldn't you want to take advantage of Etsy advertising to promote your listings on other platforms? It's a win-win situation. So, there you have it. Etsy offsite ads are a nice feature that can introduce your products to more people out there on the internet. So, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply.